And welcome to this second task in Unit 1. So in the previous one, we took a look at some basic learning theories, some of the most popular ones, behaviorism, innatism, connectionism, among others, taking a look at the critical period hypotheses and the timeline that everybody created. And this was basically to set a baseline from where we can start working, we can start building our knowledge and start focusing towards our end goal, which is second language acquisition in adults. But again, this was a baseline, so it was a quick review more or less. As we move forward now we want to start taking a look at adults, but also we need to take a look at the learning theories. So it happens that the learning theories are essentially the same. There is no different set of learning theories. It's basically the same thing. They just take different considerations based on their context, maturity, age, and so on. And that is exactly what we're going to do here. So now we're going to take a look at the same theories that we already learned about in task 1.1. Now in 1.2, we're going to take a look at those same ones, but from the perspective of adult learning. So that's going to be the only difference. And mainly here, what we want to do is we want to establish a comparison between what we already explored in 1.1 and what we learned in 1.2 and establish relationships. What things are similar between first language and second language acquisition? First language being babies, second language being adults, or we should understand that they are adults or people that have already mastered their first language and now are moving up into a second language. So what are the differences between those two things? What are the similarities? What considerations do we need to take into account in order to actually establish those differences, so to speak? And that is exactly what we're going to take a look at here. We'll be consulting, again, a reading. We'll be engaging in forums, and at the end, you'll be delivering a comparative table where you establish these differences and similarities. All right, so with that being said, welcome to 1.2. Let's get started now.